Hi, welcome to OMiT Digital Roundup. I am Ravi Kiran, lead trainer in OMiT. Today I am going to talk about LinkedIn advertisement ad options. So if you're keen on learning how to run ads in LinkedIn, then you should know these 3 basic steps. So create account, create a page, then go to LinkedIn advertisement options. In LinkedIn advertisement options, you get basically 3. 1. Sponsored content, second text ad content, and then third one in-mail. So what are these 3 options? Sponsored ad content is nothing but LinkedIn will help you to show your brand or company or products or services in mobile or in desktop version as well. And text ad basically only for desktop versions, and in-mail ad basically it's sending a personalized messages to your target audience. So if you wish to learn more, please do join OMiT and learn LinkedIn advertising with us. For more information, please do subscribe to OMiT and follow OMiT in all the social media channels. Thank you so much.